Hello everyone, welcome back to another video of Programming Basic. In this video, we are going to learn how to change your email in Khan Academy. So the first step is to open a preferred browser. Here I am using Google Chrome. Now on the search bar, type in Khan Academy and scroll down a little bit until you see this logo, click on it. Now to change your email, you have to first log in into your account. So after you log into your account, you can see your username here on the top right corner. Click on it. Now click on settings. Now to connect your new email ID on Khan Academy, you have to first set up your password. Since I have logged in with my Google account, so here on the password section, I am creating a new password. After that, click on create password. Now after that your password is saved, simply scroll down a little bit and here you can see an option which says connect another email. Click on it. Now type in your new email address that you want to add in your Khan Academy account. After that, simply click on send confirmation email and you'll receive a confirmation on your email, and there follow the procedure that is asked, and following this simple and easy step, you have successfully changed email on your Khan Academy account. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please do like, share and subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to comment down below if you have any queries. Thank you.